Welcome to the Thumbnail Guide YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. Let's go. Click the purple Create a Design button, then search YouTube thumbnail. Next, we're going to go over to our projects folders, the folders tab, then scroll down to YB project. Then I'll add another page and add all of the pictures to the page. Right now, we're going to add this picture of YoungBoy and Trippy Red to our first page. I'm going to resize it till about right there. And next, I'm going to add this picture of the prison gates or the prison bars to the page. Now I resize that right there. Now I'm going to go to Edit Image, Filters, See All, and scroll down to the Noir filter. Also add the Noir filter to this photo as well. Then I'll add this picture of YoungBoy to our first page. Then I'll remove the background. I'm gonna take it and resize it to about right here. Then I'm going to add the Noir filter to this as well. Next, I'm going to select this paper graphic and add that to our page. Take it and rotate it. Until it lines up. Then I'm going to go to Edit Image, then Shadows, and add a drop shadow. I think I'm going to resize this image a bit more. Till about right there. Next, I'm going to take this image, add it to the page, and I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to go to Edit Image and add the fresco filter, but I'm going to put the intensity all the way down to about right there. And this is our final result. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guide down in the comment section.